Need to build a complete subway station without spending days modeling every wall, tile, and ticket machine? With this modular kit, you can snap together platforms, corridors, and ticket halls in minutes. Hey everyone, Luke here from Tudor. Today we are looking at the Subway Station Modular Pack, a drag and drop environment kit designed to make a building underground metro scenes faster, easier, and more flexible. Every part of this pack has been created around the shared modular kit, allowing the walls, columns, floors, ceilings, and stairs to slot together like building blocks. That means that less time needs to be spent struggling with alignment and more time can be spent designing your actual environment. Inside the pack, you'll find 40 unique assets covering the main structural pieces and all small details needed to make a station feel believable. Whether you're creating a compact diorama, a game-ready level, or an entire underground station, everything is designed to be reused, rearranged across multiple projects. Visually, the pack combines a bright stylized dry brush appearance with a complete PBR workflow. There are 25 texture sets at 2048 resolution, including base color roughness, metallic, normal, and ambient occlusion maps, alongside 8 emissive texture sets for illuminated displays and station lighting. This gives each asset a hand-painted, cheerful finish, while still reacting properly to modern lighting and rendering systems. The standard version includes native Blender file with assets organized into asset browser catalogs and ready to drag directly into your scene. You'll also receive a complete Unreal Engine 5 setup with materials already prepared alongside centered and preview GLB files, individual FBX exports, and all associated PNG texture formats. This gives you plenty of flexibility regardless of which software or engine you use. This pack was created by Oguzhan as part of the Tudor Starving Artist campaign. You may already recognize his work from the Military Outpost pack, which was designed for building detailed outposts, forwarding operating bases, and diorama environments. Through the Starving Artist campaign, independent artists receive 50% of the revenue, while the Tudor handles the marketing, distribution, and storefronts. By purchasing this pack, you're not only getting a versatile environment kit, you're also directly supporting the artist behind it. And when you've built your station, make sure to share it with us in a Tudor Discord, a growing community of over 2,000 artists and developers regularly sharing their projects, exchanging feedback, and supporting one another. We also run giveaways for Geometry Nodes and our asset packs. Thanks for supporting Oguzhan and the Starving Artist campaign, and as always, happy modeling everyone!